It's important to support your child in staying organized during the school year. Using a planner can help your child stay organized with their schedule, assignments, and due dates. You can teach your child to use a planner to write down daily and weekly assignments they need to complete. Using a planner also helps decrease stress and anxiety around schoolwork that can feel overwhelming at times. First, have your child watch you write down assignments in the planner. Second, have your child use their planner under your supervision. Guide them through specific steps to get assignments done. Finally, let your child use their planner on their own and double-check their planner to confirm they are successfully tracking their schedule. Keeping a planner will help set your child up for success during remote learning.